Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. For your daily energies, career situation and relationship, Capricorn, we'll be picking few cards, guys. So first, for your daily energies, Capricorn, these are the cards. For your relationship, I'll be picking more cards. So these cards are for your relationship, guys, and these cards for your career situation, Capricorn, and I will open these cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So let's start with the daily reading. It's Master of Moons, Two of Spears and Four of Suns in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, these cards may relate to your career situation or personal life situation. So in your situation, Capricorn, you are seeing some kinds of confusions, doubts on some people, and your circumstances, in your circumstance, in your career or personal life, you are facing lots of stressful situations, and whatever you are expecting, all that is not coming towards you. So you see inconsistent results, maybe in your career or in your personal life. So you are hoping for certain changes, but that is not what you're getting today, guys. And you feel really stressed and worried because of that. And I also see that in your career or personal life, you are quite confused because certain things what you expect for yourself, that is not happening today, guys. So unexpected results and things are going in a different way, and maybe you are also because of your situation, you are learning the truth about your circumstance today, guys. So that is bringing out honesty in you or in people around you. Because of these stressful situations, people around you, they want to tell you the truth or what they truly feel. So that may be the reason that things may change if you are willing to work with truth in your heart, find out the truth in other people's hearts, what they feel. So it may be something to do in your personal life or in your career, but if you base your actions on truth, you are reaching success, Capricorn. Good luck and a great advancement in your life is what you see. So all that failures that you are seeing in your situation is slowly going to disappear if you are willing to accept the truth in you and accept the truth in that other person also. So that is what I see, guys, for your daily energy. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship first, Capricorn. So let's see what are these cards. It's Death, Ace of Suns in reverse and Two of Moons in reverse. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, some things are going downhill in this connection, guys. Maybe however hard you try, uh, this connection is not working. You are putting in tremendous efforts, you are trying your level best, working towards that understanding with this person, but there are some conflicts and fights in this situation. Some inevitable changes are happening today, guys. That is what I see. This may be this person moving away from you, or they are moving in a different direction, or you see yourself, transforming yourself. So the problems may be, for some of you it may be addictions, or they have or you have, maybe some habits that is um, causing the stress in this connection, or there is some kind of an illness that you are facing today, or some kind of clash of ideas that you have that is separating you both. And also in this connection you are not able to find that perfect understanding. So you are seeing the truth today, the same energy we got with the previous cards, guys. So if you are able to accept the truth that you cannot find that understanding with this person and this relationship is not a positive one, if you have that acceptance in your heart, Capricorn, you will see changes, a rebirth happening, a renewal happening today. So things are going to change. You may get a new chance with a better person with whom you may share that better prospective relationship. So all that things that will work towards a meaningful positive relationship, that is what is happening today. So maybe for some of you, you see the truth that you cannot have this beautiful life with this person, and you let go of this person and move on with your future. Or if you want this person, if you truly love them, you are letting go of the things that are not working, maybe your hurt, maybe your past memories, maybe the struggles, and you are starting fresh. So that kind of transformation is what I see with these cards, Capricorn, for your love situation. So some kind of rebirth, second chances, or a renewal of this love. That is what is happening today, guys. So let us see what are these cards for your career situation, guys. It's Seven of Suns in reverse, the Papas, and Judgment. So with these cards, in your situation, in your career situation, you are seeing some changes in your career. Maybe for some of you, you may be getting promoted, or maybe you may be traveling to a different place for work, different city for work. Some major changes you are seeing in your situation today, and some kind of a positive growth in your situation. You have that knowledge in your situation. You know what is the right thing to do, and you are a wise person, and your intuition is guiding you today, guys. So if you feel that you have to take up that path in your career, you have to go for it. But if it is something else, if your intuition is telling you something else, you have to listen to that. So if you have any doubts or unclear about certain choices, and your intuition is telling you to not take up that choice, you have to listen to it, guys, so to avoid that loss or failure. So that is what I see with these cards, Capricorn. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Capricorn.